welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my self-tanning routine featuring all of the really great products from Tanceuticals. I just want to go ahead and thank Tanceuticals for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of the products and everything, all of their socials, everything like that linked down below, so you guys can definitely check those out. I also just want to mention my voice right now. I started back at work a couple days ago. Obviously we have to wear masks because of the coronavirus, and because I'm constantly having to yell because of the mask, my voice sounds like this today. So yeah, I just wanted to address that in case I got any comments about it. I have been self-tanning for years. I've tried so many different self-tanning products, but I'm not kidding when I say this, you guys. Tanceuticals is definitely the best tanning products that I have tried by far. So I'm just going to be explaining each product, showing you guys how it applies and all that good stuff. If you guys are new here, I would love if you could hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel and helps it grow, so I'd really appreciate that. I also forgot to mention, if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have them all linked down below, and you can use the code Amy10 for 10% off. I'll have it on the screen here, but definitely use that to get yourself some money off of these products. Now, without further ado, let's just hop on into the video. Tanceuticals is actually rated the #1 self-tanning product. After trying it, it is definitely by far the best self-tanning products I have tried. The thing I love most about Tanceuticals is it doesn't only focus on giving your skin a nice color. They also have 3 really important ingredients in their products, which are acai berry, shea butter, and argan oil, which really help to moisturize and nourish your skin, also to tone, firm, and tighten your skin, and also just prevent and minimize the look of wrinkles, fine lines, and aging. If you guys have never self-tanned before and you're brand new to the idea of self-tanning, you just don't know the whole routine, what you want to do is a day before, or I would say like 12 to 14 hours before at least, you want to go in and exfoliate your skin. The reason behind this is because you want to get off all of the dead skin cells off of your body, or if you've previously self-tanned, you might have some old self-tan remaining on your skin, and obviously you don't want that putting a fresh coat on because it will look super patchy. Exfoliating when you're putting on self-tanner is so important, because otherwise when you apply that layer of self-tanner, it will stick, it'll look super patchy, and it just won't look natural. So you just want to completely exfoliate your skin. This right here is the Tanceuticals Pre-Tan Exfoliator. Oh my goodness, you guys. This smells so incredible. It literally smells so amazing. Once you start rubbing it in, it kind of turns into a creamy consistency. So this little glove isn't from Tanceuticals. I just got this from, I think, like Walmart or Shoppers Drug Mart. So just any like exfoliating thing. Honestly, you could use your hand as well. It works fine. This has ingredients like acai berry and vitamin E, which will help to nourish and soothe your skin. This basically got off all the dead skin, all of the past self-tanner that I had on previously, and this just did such a good job. My skin, I came out of the shower and I felt like I had a new layer of skin on my body, you guys. My skin was so soft. Like, I want to use this even if I'm not self-tanning, just because it is such a good exfoliator. Okay, so once you have exfoliated all that stuff, you want to exfoliate, shave, all of that in the shower. When you are ready to self-tan, this is the Tanceuticals Self-Tanning Body Mousse, and they actually sent me over the color in Ultra Dark. Now, I have never used a tanner in Ultra Dark. I've always just done dark. I remember when I was first starting off, I was so scared of dark. I was like, you know, I'll just do like light, medium. I don't want to look crazy. I have naturally very pale, fair skin. Like, I don't tan naturally. If I sit outside in the sun, I burn, which is why I rely on self-tanners so much. So I was super scared trying this Ultra Dark, but you guys, I can't say enough good things about this tanner. I self-tanned on Friday, and I'm filming this video today on Tuesday, so it's been a couple of days, and as you can see, I am still so tan, and it looks so natural. I actually went into work the day after I self-tanned, and somebody actually asked me, they were like, wow, you look so tan, and I was like, oh, I self-tanned last night, and they were like, what, that's self-tanner? Like, it looks so natural, and I was like, I know, like, it's crazy. So this is the Ultra Dark. It's basically just a mousse consistency, and what you do is you just pump it onto the mitt, and this is the Tanceuticals mitt. It is a little bit dirty just because I used it the other day, obviously, but it's just this pink mitt. This is a microfiber mitt, so it prevents all streaks, and I can definitely say, again, out of all the self-tanners I've used, I did not have one streak throughout my tan, you guys, and that is unheard of when I self-tan. Like, there was not one streak. Normally I sleep in my tan overnight because I wanted to develop and get as dark as possible to be able to have the tan extended for as many days as possible. However, this one I only left on for I think 6 or 7 hours, and I washed it off before I went to bed just because I was scared of the ultra dark. You guys, it is so good. Like I said, this has been on for like 3 or 4 days, and I feel like I self-tanned yesterday. So when I self-tan, I normally start from top to bottom. So I start on my legs, I go up and down my legs, and then I move to my thighs. I carry the extra bit of product onto my feet just because you don't want your feet looking too crazy. I work all the way up my legs, then I do my stomach area, up on my chest, and then I do my back. A lot of people have actually asked me like how I self-tan my back. Honestly, you just gotta reach. I mean, it works for me. Ask someone for help if you want, but honestly, I can reach it just fine. Like I said, there was not one streak left on my body after using both the mitt and this product. Okay, you guys, out of everything, this is the thing that I'm most excited to share with you guys about. This is the Tanceuticals Self-Tanning Face Lotion in Ultra Dark. Now, I've always been the person to apply the same self-tanner that I'm using on my body, on my face, just because I didn't have a self-tanner for my face. So when you think about it, honestly, that is not good for your skin at all. Like, you wouldn't use the same body lotion on your legs as you would on your face, so why would we be using the same self-tanner, right? When I got this sent over, I was so excited to try it out. I was very surprised when this face lotion came out as a white color. I was expecting it to be colored like the self-tanner. However, I really, really liked it being white because it totally just blended in, and I just had to wait for it to develop. Guys, I literally have not broken out once since putting this on. Like I said, I washed my face before I went to bed, and I woke up and my face was this like gorgeous, glowy, bronzed looking color like I had spent all day out in the sun. I literally cannot say enough good things about this. I am truly, truly obsessed. And also about all of these tanning products, they don't have like that kind of like biscuity smell that self-tanners normally have. Normally you just, I don't know, it's just not a cute smell. Products, you guys, smell like coconut. My mom always complains about how my self-tanner smells, and after I use these products, she like walks past my room and she was like, wow, like that smells really good. And I was like, I know. Once you've self-tanned from head to toe and you are all ready, obviously you want to just wear some baggy clothes or go to sleep. Tanceuticals recommends that you ideally leave it on for 7 to 8 hours before showering or sweating. Once you've washed it off, and during the next few days, you want to go in with this post-tan everyday tan extender. This just helps you maintain your tan. And again, this is something I've always struggled with. Normally, it's like 2 days after and it's starting to look really patchy, and I'm like, oh my god, like I have to self-tan again. Like, this is so annoying. But you guys, with this tan extender, obviously it helps extend the tan. So I just like to put this kind of all over, and then what you want to do is make sure to wash your hands after using this product. Otherwise, you will just find your hands looking like a little funny colored. But you wash your hands, it's all good. And yeah, like I said, this just really helps to maintain your tan and just to keep you looking glowy and bronzed for a lot longer. But yeah, that is my self-tanning routine featuring all of these amazing products. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave them down below because I would love to be able to answer them for you guys. Again, thank you so much to Tanceuticals for sponsoring today's video. I'll put my promo code up here on the screen. It's just Amy10 and you can get 10% off of your purchase. I will link all of the products down below in the description bar so you can easily shop them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!